it up. Out of door. That doesn't look like the short one. We'll find out. May not be able to use that. There they are here. These on here a little bit. Today they showed up about to mount the mortar mounts. There's just one thing you got to pay attention to. There's a little nub right there on that red piece and the back plate. Those have to go facing each other so it sits flat. Putting Loctite blue. I know it's in a red thing, but it's blue. I'll show you. See it? Clearly blue. Now, torque specs, I'm going off of Energy Suspension sheet. They give you a diagram there. But they tell you right there that C, which is the bolts I just put in, are 25 to 35 foot-pounds. So that's what I'll be doing. That's it. Now I just gotta do the other side. All done. Both sides ready to rock. Mortar mounts complete. Next up will be the water pump and then most likely the intake, and then yeah, fuel pump, all that fun stuff. Gotta get torque converter ordered, all that good stuff. So that's them for now. Very simple process, just in case somebody hasn't done it. There it is. Very simple. But I would go by the manufacturer's torque specs. If you Google it, you can come up with all different kinds of torque specs and all that stuff. That's what I did at first, and then when I went back in the box, I saw the instructions, and I was like, huh. Well, definitely go by them and do that. I would definitely buy new bolts. You're not sure what yours work. Make sure you have the good stuff, especially on these HOs. You don't want to mess around.